Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number exercises part 2. This video is a continuation of the previous videos, giving you a chance to revise all the different topics that we've been studying. And this is the first slide. I'll leave it on for a short while and you can pause it for as long as you want. And if you'd like to answer the questions on a sheet of paper, then you can check the answers at the end. And that's the next slide. And this is the third slide, and the answers will follow after this one. So this is the first slide, which has the answers on it, and obviously you can pause it for as long as you want to check your answers. And that's the next slide with the answers. And that's the last one.